Welcome to another insightful video, and today we will talk about why do mobile apps crash or freeze. Let's begin by saying that no one likes mobile apps that crash very often, right? In fact, 53% of users immediately uninstall a mobile app when it crashes or freezes. The point is simple: if you want to succeed with your newly built business app, then pay attention to this video in which we are going to discuss the most common reasons why an app crashes. Let's begin. 1. Inadequate testing. As you know, testing is a vital part of mobile app development. It helps you monitor the app's performance in real user conditions. Without testing your app on different devices and platforms, you can't detect and fix potential errors. As a result, this may end up crashing the app for end users. So, carry out a comprehensive testing process, which benchmarks the industry standards and expectations. Adopt a real device cloud to achieve complete mobile testing on desired platforms. 2. Poor memory management. Yes, even a well-built native app can crash when it is not properly optimized for managing memory. This makes memory management one of the biggest problems that many users face while running an app on different devices. Make sure your app is not spinning too many threads, soaking up too many memory resources, running on a system that has too many apps open. 3. Bad network conditions. It's always important to keep in mind that mobile devices have unique network configurations. For instance, some mobile devices may support 4G and others may support 3G. Also, when a user changes the network connectivity, it can lead to a loss of network. In such scenarios, the app may crash or freeze due to changes in connectivity. The solution is to test the app in different network conditions to meet the needs of end users. 4. Device fragmentation. Google recommends supporting at least 90% of all live devices. This simply means that tackling the ever-increasing number of Android and iOS devices is a huge hassle for any mobile app. In order to stay ahead of the competition, your app should be compatible with every manufacturer, screen size, price point, and country. This is where device or browser compatibility might crash your app. To ensure that your app is compatible with different devices and web browsers, again, test the app on every device and browser to eliminate potential fragmentation. 5. Too much coding. Lastly, a badly written or hefty code can crash your mobile app. This is because when coders write long and complex codes on their device, the app drains out all the resources when it's used on other gadgets or devices. The best advice is to keep the coding part simple and light. Practice only the necessary code, so you can provide a single-purpose tool that users want. Don't make the coding part complex by considering those elements that are so freaking hard and unnecessary. There you go. These are the most common reasons why mobile apps crash. Hope this video helped you solve your problem. And if so, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks.